everyone! Good day! I am Teacher Hannah, your physics teacher for today. Now, we will answer one of the questions in modern physics. And that question is, what is a photon? Are you ready to know the answer? Let's start! According to yourdictionary.com, a photon is a particle that has energy and movement, but it does not have a mass or electrical charge. Photons are elementary particles and are known as the quantum of the electromagnetic fluid. In simple terms, a photon is a particle of light defined as a discrete bundle or quantum of electromagnetic or light energy. Photons are always in motion and in a vacuum or a completely empty space, have a constant speed of light to all observers. Photon is the fundamental unit of all matter, the basic unit of all light. It is basically the most visible portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. Einstein proved that light is a flow of photons. The energy of these photons is the height of their oscillation frequency and the intensity of light. He explained how a stream of photons can act both as a wave and a particle. They have zero mass and rest energy. They only exist as moving particles and have no electric charge. When in empty space, they travel at the speed of light. Each photon has a wavelength and a frequency. The wavelength is defined as the distance between two peaks of the electric field with the same vector. The frequency of a photon is defined as how many wavelengths a photon propagates each second. So how do we solve for the energy of a photon?
The formula is simple. E is equal to hf, where E represents the energy of a photon, h is the Planck's constant that is equal to 6.63 times 10 raised to negative 34 joules per second, and f represents the wave frequency. So are you ready to solve my example? So here's the sample problem. A photon has a frequency of 2.68 times 10 raised to 6 Hz. Calculate its energy. So we have here the given from the sample problem. H is equal to 6.63 times 10 raised to negative 34 joules per second, and F is equal to 2.68 times 10 raised to 6 Hertz. We have here the formula, which is E is equal to HF. So let us now solve for our solution. E is equal to 6.63 times 10 raised to negative 34 joules per second multiplied by 2.68 times 10 raised to 6 Hertz. And then, we have come up with the answer from our energy of photon, which is 1.78 times 10 raised to negative 27 joules.
I hope you got the correct answer. Another problem will be given to the class, which you can solve after watching this video, and comment your answers in the comment section below. I will react to the correct answers later on. So here's the problem. Calculate the energy of a photon of red light of a frequency of 4.6 times 10 raised to 14 Hz and use the formula that I gave you earlier. Looking forward to your answers. That's it for today's discussion. See you next time, and I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!